the capital of Union Territory of Ladakh, connects to Kashmir Valley and rest of India through the Zojila Pass. The terrain at a 3,528 meters height lies amid snow-capped mountains. Heavy snowfall and avalanches in the area keep this strategically very important pass closed for traffic for around 5 months in a year. This is going to change very soon. A tunnel is being constructed under the Zojila Pass to ensure round-the-year connectivity with Ladakh, Kargil and other strategic points in this bordering area. Though conceived as early as 2006, actual work on it could commence only when Shri Nitin Gadkari, the Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, took the initiative to get it constructed after a number of failed attempts. The foundation stone for the project was laid by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in May 2018. However, the actual work on the tunnel could be inaugurated on 15th October 2020 with a ceremonial blasting led by Shri Gadkari. The project redesigning and engineering under guidance of Honorable Minister also resulted in cost reduction by more than 3,000 crore. Since then, the project is being carried out in full swing. The 14.15 km long Zojila Tunnel is planned as India's longest road tunnel. The 2-lane, 10.5 meter wide and 9 meter height Zojila Tunnel will be in horseshoe shape and will have 3 vertical ventilation shafts. Work on 18.474 km long approach road to the tunnel is progressing rapidly. As this showpiece infra project has been targeted to be completed before the Republic Day 2024, for which all the efforts are being put in place by NHIDCL. The tunnel will have firefighting system, emergency calling system, CCTV and internal telephony with a control room to control traffic. Work is in progress on 7 km long part of the 18.474 km approach road. 2 tunnels in the approach road, namely Nilgrar tunnels, are being constructed between Sonmarg and Zojila main tunnel. Heading excavation work of both the tubes of Nilgrar Tunnel 1 has been completed. Whose cumulative length is 915 meters. For Nilgrar Tunnel 2, whose cumulative length is 3,907 meters, heading excavation work of 1,759 meters has been completed. Work on all 6 foundations of the bridge number 1 and all 5 foundations of the bridge number 2 have been completed. One of the 15 foundations of bridge number 3 is under construction. A total of 41 culverts have been constructed in this tunnel project. Work on 15 of these is progressing rapidly. Zojila main tunnel of length 14.150 kilometers is being excavated from both the ends of tunnel that are Baltal and Minamarg. Total heading excavation of 943 meters has been achieved. Completion of the Zojila tunnel will allow all-weather connectivity between Srinagar and Ladakh, and the journey will be less strenuous. This historical achievement of the modern India will lead to integrated development of both Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh UTs. The impossible is being turned into possible. Round-the-year connectivity with Ladakh is expected to be a reality before Republic Day 2024.